You've hit an income ceiling and you're pretending it's the market's fault. It's not. Income ceilings are installed in your mind first and then reflected in your bank account. And I'm about to show you how to shatter your income ceiling. So today, I want to get real. I want to show you the 3 mental frameworks that break through income ceilings and why most entrepreneurs resist installing them. And as you're watching this, you might realize that you're ready to break through your own income ceiling. So let me show you how on a breakthrough path at Prouty.me, but I'll tell you more about that in a second. Framework number 1 is unlimited thinking. You might be thinking that earning more money requires more hours, but it doesn't. That's your ceiling. The reality is systems and asymmetric execution create more money without working more hours. Framework number 2, value multiplication. As you're thinking about pricing, you start to think about value multiplication. You naturally see how you can increase your value without working more. And framework number 3 is your new identity. When you implement a shift to the identity of a person who is the extraordinary business person that you know you deserve to be, everything changes about how you operate. But the challenge you're going to face right here and right now is your current identity wants to keep you safe. Let me put that in a different way. Stuck in a place where you are at your current level. And you're probably wondering if you can really handle the level of success, can't you? So do me a favor. Write down your current income goal. Now double it. The feeling that you'll have is your ceiling. And by doubling it, that probably wasn't enough. So double it again. I dare you. We need to work on that feeling. If you're ready to break through your current income ceiling forever, just book a brainstorming call with me at Prouty.me. That's my last name.me. This is not a sales call. This is truly a brainstorming call because I just want to see you win. The reality is a lot of smart people who got on this call were ready to join my mastermind, and the call is a great chance to do so, but I'm not going to try to sell that to you. You already know if joining my mastermind is right for you. But to get the most out of this call, you should already have a business and you should already be making some money. You should also have a clear idea of the money that you could make. Your income ceiling breakthrough starts on that call.